Alright, that was a loser. That was a crappy video. We didn't need that. Alright, let's go find something else that's better. We need Harley parts. No more tools. I'll guarantee you this is some kind of a Harley part. Something small. Wonder what it is. I don't know. Double protected. That's nice. Oh look, I got some of those. Ah, valve covers. There you go. Those are good. These are late model UL valve covers. So these are the bottoms, not the tops. So these go on flatheads. So the flatheads are over here buried. Where am I going to find a flathead UL cylinder? Put that right there. Alright, there's one. We're interrupted. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. So it's a UL cover, UL cylinder. These are the covers that go over the valves. Go over here. Except this is the piece that goes like this. There's another piece that's missing that goes in here to hold it. Don't have it. It's the other half of this. So, not exactly sure how these fit, because I don't really use this style. So obviously these springs do not fit on top of the retainer pieces. So I'm not sure how these all go together, but I know somehow it works. Okay, there's a cork in there. So obviously this goes on top of the lifter block, which would be going this direction. Yeah, like I said, I'm just not sure how all these work. There's obviously some missing parts. Do I look like I'm stupid? Yes. See, when I never use something, I know I've never used it. So basically, these things go together somehow. That would be a lousy seal, so I'm going to guess this probably goes this direction. Here. Yes, see, that fits on top of that nicely. So that is your cork seal. So this would go on top of your lifter block this way, I'm guessing, to seal it. You get this big ass spring that doesn't fit anything, so that fits around the OD of the cover. Pushes on this washer that somehow is going to do something important. Probably goes like that. This clip probably goes in here like this. That to hold it. Put pressure on, I'm guessing, but it doesn't really fit. But I think that's because this one's bent. This one here is not bent. See how it fits better? I'm guessing that's probably not correct either. The covers are a big cup cover. They got two slots in them that these will engage into. That's what these engage into here. So it's a big tall cup, so it looks like a glass with two notches in it. The spring and the valve, all that is inside of that. And this here slides into that, and somehow this engages into it. That's about the extent of what I know. Not much. But overall, these are not too bad a condition, considering how old they are. Looks like I got 3. Maybe I got 4 complete ones here. Yep, I got 4 bases, 4 tubes, the washer, spring, springy. We got 4 springs for those. We got 4 of them. So whatever we got here, we got 4 complete units, which is always a plus when you're trying to do a job. So I don't particularly like this design. I like the old nut and screw together one, which is the I'm trying to remember what year they changed those covers out to that design. I know during the war they had this style. I'm just not sure how far back these go back to. They might go back to 39-ish, or they might be more like 42. Not sure. I don't work on late model motors like that. My motors are all early, so they use the other style. And the 45s don't use anything like this either. This is more of a K model style design, KR. K model and KR where they slip down, but the locking device is strictly UL. But anyway, those are the parts you need to go. Once you have the cylinders that have the cup on there, this is the matching part that would go into the cup. To seal it, this would go up against the lifter block and seal against that. So anyway, can't help you too much on that one, but that's what I know. Not much.